Good morning, everyone. Uh, let's start doing do now, and after taking the attendance, we will come back on it. All right. So we are going to learn today about the wave interaction. So you remember yesterday we watched a video about the sunglasses, polarized sunglasses, and we were wondering how they work. Right? We had so many questions, so many wonderings there. So to understand how these sunglasses work, we need to understand how these light wave interact with the medium. Right? When light wave is going from one medium or one matter to another matter, how do they behave? Do they do something different? Like we learn about the properties of the wave. Is the wavelength change, speed change, or amplitude change, or frequency change? Is there something happens? So to understand all these things, we need to understand how wave interact. So let's see. So there are different ways. When they wave interact with matter, it could refract, it may reflect, it may be absorbed by the matter or medium, or it may be transmitted. So today we will learn about the refraction. I know it's a difficult vocabulary, but trust me, towards the end of this lesson you will be able to understand what is refraction and what does it mean. So I'm hoping towards the end of this lesson you will be able to identify the refraction of the light wave by observing the demo video and images which I'm going to show you, and you will be able to explain refraction of light wave by answering and completing the questions, and you will be able to give at least 2 examples of refraction in real life. So to start this lesson, we will watch these two videos. Okay, we will watch together these videos, and then I will send you in the breakout rooms. Breakouts room will be same as they were yesterday. Okay, so no change. Now we will go in the same breakout room after watching the video, but these slides are with you too. So if you are forgetting what to do, you will be able to read that. You will be able to rewatch the video if you want to. So you are independent completely in the breakout rooms. After watching the video, you will go on the Classkick. Okay, let me show you here. The assignment is posted in Google Classroom, so you will be going on the Classkick. You will be checking all the refraction, this sheet. So after watching the video, you will make observation, write questions here. Then in the second activity also you will observe, make questions, and you will see the pattern between two videos. Do you see something similar happening, or there is something, nothing, they are not in common, nothing is commonly happening? Once you will be done writing observation, questions and pattern, you will talk to your group members and you will make sense of it all. What happened in the group A activity, what happened in the activity B, and once you will understand this, write it down, then you will be sharing everything on the Jamboard. This activity will take not more than 10 minutes. Okay, don't forget to make the initial model of your observation. Okay, let me start. We will watch it together, and then you can watch again if you want to, but the whole activity should not take more than 10 minutes. If you need more time, let me know. Let's start.
Now I'm going to show you this video. In this there are 2 empty glasses.
So I'm going a little bit forward to see what I want to show you basically. So this is, he's going to put the water.
And now he's pouring water in one of the glass.
Okay, so you have to make observation in this video. After watching this video, you will be going on the second one. So I'm closing it. Let's watch this one. see what's happening here. This is laser light. So this guy is moving, and what happened? What do you see to the beam of the light or the ray of the light? What is happening here? So we'll watch this video. You can rewatch it and you come back in 10 minutes. If you have any question, feel free. I'll be there whenever you want me. Alright, I was checking everyone's work and you were doing good job. I'm so proud of you. Now share your understanding on this Jamboard. Okay, I think you did already. And so someone wrote, when the laser was pointed at the water, the laser moved at an angle. Okay, that's a good observation. When in the water, the object seemed to shift. Okay, good observation. A light travels in waves. The property of wave changes when traveling through different mediums. That's good. Good thinking. Depending on the angle that the light was held at, the light beam seemed to be bending. So now we talked, brainstormed, and shared our thinking and observation with everyone in the class. Let's go for the explanation. So please join me on quizzes.com. Join myquizzes.com and put this code